Easy rider on the highway.
Hello and welcome, it's Acrylicube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Had a little bit of a bumpy start there, didn't I? So I'm going to make this particular painting on an oval canvas, which I love these canvases. They're really a lovely sized gift for someone. That's it, far better than giving a gift card or a card to somebody. Give them one of your nice little canvases. So I'm keeping this monochromatic, almost. I want it quite minimalistic, so we will see what we get here, because I usually go overboard, as you know. So for my base, I've just got my ordinary acrylic paint mixed with my pouring medium, which all the information is in the description below this video for mixing paints if you're a beginners, and how to make homemade pouring mediums and such like. So I'm giving that paint a wiggle pour, and now I'm going to pour and tilt all over the canvas till it covers the canvas nicely, and just sort of finger pop the sides so that the black covers. But look at that lovely effect. I mean, you can actually, this is fine. This painting would be all on its own just with that effect. And they're very kind of classic colours that would go with any decor, I guess. But I want to go that little bit extra and push it along, obviously, after I've got it all stretched out.
So that I could not forget.
So there you go, it's all stretched out, and I did I forgot to press my camera on again, but I'm going to do some little some puddles, and do some embellishments with the straw and balloon, because this effect really makes it look like it's sort of 3D floating, especially with this kind of background. So I'm trying to keep it all minimalistic, and literally just really enjoying my day in the art room, which I enjoy these little pours. They're wonderful. So have you tried them yet? Have you tried these, doing the little blown flowers and over the top of a different technique? It's always interesting and fun to do.
Easy rider on the highway. Station wagon going slow. Windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. 11 miles on an off day, in your shadow to the coast, past the surfing whitewashed beaches, under cypress trees and smoke, carved like lovers into driftwood. On this moment I depend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes, in your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing.
Oh, I'm super happy with that. Super minimalistic. I could just go doing those flowers all over that canvas, but you know, I was just only intending on doing it along the bottom, but I got carried away and done it all the way around. Now I feel like, doing the all in there, they're just having that background, the ring pour background, it kind of makes them really look like 3D effect, like they're just floating there in the abyss. What do you guys think of that? It was, minimalistic colours, very classy colours that go with lots of decor, people's decor. But I just love that actual technique, and more than anything, I love creating it. So what do you guys think of the black, white and champagne gold? Well, that's me done for another day. I better go and make some dinner for me and my hubby at the minute. Hope that you guys are all going well, and just a reminder, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. Do not suffer in silence. Okay, my lovelies, bye for now.
In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could